Hello everybody, I have returned to you. I know you missed me. Today we have the mystery box from Juvia's place, the February box. Paid $20 for it. It's supposed to have a value of $50. So let's see what we got. First up. Alright, first up we have the Red Wine Velvety Matte Lipstick in the color Rouge. And if you know me, you know I love me a good red. So, let's see what this color looks like. I've seen their lipsticks at like Ulta, and they be looking so little. And I'd be like, hold on, player. I don't know if we can do that. Ooh, now this is pretty. It's like a burgundy, winey color. Oh yeah, I can rock with that. It's coming off a little brighter on camera, but I could dig it. I can dig it. But the packaging is cute though. And I'm technically a lipstick junkie. And so next we have a Luxe liner in Ruby. Do I want to open this? I kind of do. If I can get it open. Yeah. Sanitary, are we? I dig it. Okay, let's go. Okay. I'm assuming it will match the lipstick, and it does. I don't know if you could see that. Looks a little brown, but let's see what it looks like next to it. Oh, it's the same color. Perfect. Yeah, I like that. So we're supposed to get 3 items, but I see maybe 4. Okay. So now we have another liquid lipstick in C'est La Vie. I live, I love. Well, that sounds like Fumi. I love her, by the way. It's my favorite African auntie. Ooh, this is pretty. But of course the settling probably makes it look weird, like it's empty. But let's watch her. Love a good red. Man. Okay, the applicator is a little weird. Like, it's all chunky. But we'll see. That's a lot. Pulled out a lot of product. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Look at that. Now that is a red, and it's so up my alley. Can't wait to wear that. And there's something else in here, because I thought we were only getting 3 items. This will make it 4. This is the Fula. It's an eyeshadow palette. The Fula. Oh, we know she ain't no stranger to seal things up. All right, Chi-Chi. Let's see. All right. As always, beautiful packaging. Okay. This is really pretty. No mirror. That's all right. That purple in this middle shade, this like teal green, more like a hunter green. Let's watch it. Her shadows are always so soft. It's a little dry, a little dusty, but we could probably work with that. Let me get one of these shimmers. Oops. This looks like a duochrome, but my fingers are a little not the best for swatching, but that's alright though. Okay. I just watched this color here. It's soft, and that's what it looks like. So it's showing up purple, but it's like a greenish color, greenish blue. But that's really, really pretty. Alright, alright. So that's what I got. I definitely think I got my money's worth, because I think the lipsticks are like $15, $18. I don't really know. But yeah, and I got 2 lipsticks, a lip liner, and an eyeshadow. So maybe I could put a look together and we could try it out together. But let me know in the comments what you think. And if you're going to get this box, I think it's still available. But for $20, honey, we ain't lose. So, I don't know. But thanks for joining me. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.